Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And
I'm Zeb Esselstyn.
my little brother.
Our youngest son. Our amazing youngest son.
And it's so fun to have him here today because Zeb has always been famous for his Sunday morning or any morning or any time of day.
Isn't it Saturday morning?
Saturday morning.
Yeah, every time I call.
I thought it was Sunday.
No, you gotta have, because you got Sunday, you freeze them.
Oh, for Sunday. Okay.
Yeah.
Waffles. Zeb's Waffles. And if you're following along, he has, of course, as many amazing recipes do, they grow and they change and they evolve and they become a little bit different. But the foundation of this recipe is in Plant Strong on page 144 if you're following along.
Although the recipe hasn't changed too much, and I've been doing it for a long time and don't experiment much. This is just what I do.
Okay.
But let me just say.
He doesn't even measure, he says.
Wait, we have 4 children, Rip, Ted, Jane, and Zeb. And incredibly, all our boys are cooks. Jane,
and all your girls.
I'm just saying, and all of them. But Zeb, I think, wins the prize as the sort of cook of cooks.
Thank you.
So you're going to be on more of these. All right, let's hit it. How do you make your waffles?
All right.
Saturday,
so
Sunday, weekend waffles.
I use oats. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use, I usually use more than this. So this is going to be 2 cups of oats.
Wait, how much do you want to use?
I usually double this.
Oh.
Well, he doubles it because he freezes them.
Yeah. So I use 2 cups of oats, and then I'll use, right now we'll do like a 1/4 cup of
flax.
Flax. Cool. That's about a 1/4. This is like a 2.
You never measure, so this is exciting.
Yeah. That's the wrong. So, and I do it right into a blender. We have a Blendtec. This is a Vitamix, which works well. You can also do it in a Cuisinart. I find the Cuisinart doesn't quite...
or a food processor,
Food processor doesn't smooth it as much. The
Really?
Cuisinart doesn't smooth as... Yeah, the Vitamix definitely, it makes it smooth.
It dims the lights.
Yeah.
Zeb, can I put this
Yes, put that. So
applesauce?
yes. So a little bit of applesauce. Usually I do about 8 ounces. I think it is 6 ounces.
That was about
And then I do
1/4 cup.
1 banana. We're going to do today, and then we're going to zest an orange.
Do I get to zest?
You get to zest.
Lucky duck.
Do I do the whole orange or just?
Oh yeah, no, and do it well. You just don't. You can't. No.
Then you show me how.
Okay.
And you're the queen of zesters.
Well, I know, but but Zeb can do.
Oh, Zeb goes right down.
Oh my God, you're way better zester than I am.
Just right
Holy.
down. You gotta right down to it, and you
Hey,
gotta. I know
hey.
you can't do the sticker.
Hey, we use zest for the top cam. We use
You
zest for the
can't
top
do
cam.
the
Go high.
Aren't I?
How you?
Or actually, maybe
that's
they can
way
see.
better. I zest.
He's organized. He's organized about it. You kind of.
I do not. It's like cutting the lawn. You gotta go. You gotta go in strips.
My
right?
oranges
You can't just
satisfying.
randomly.
I have so many bald oranges,
No,
but
I
they
know.
are all sort of outrageously unballed.
Yeah, you kind of zest in an ADD kind of way.
I can hardly wait to zest again. Oh, you zest a lemon too.
Yeah.
I'm always careful to not go down to the white pith because
No,
it's bitter.
no.
You bring it on.
Yeah, bring it on. I don't go too deep. I don't want to get all of it, but like a little bit, it's not going to matter.
Gosh,
This
my
is fascinating.
Was pathetic compared to yours.
It's a small lemon.
Are you zesting your wrist a little bit?
just my knuckles.
Well, now, what's so cool about zesting is you get the flavor without necessarily.
I think you get the sunshine when you zest something. You really can taste
so
the
good.
sunshine.
So we'll put that in.
Nuts, walnuts.
Then we'll do the walnuts.
Just
About
Put
a
the
half
walnuts.
cup.
About a
3/4.
half a cup. Yep. For this
I think
recipe.
in here we had 3/4 cup.
Yeah, that's fine. Half a cup's fine. A little bit of baking powder, not too much baking powder.
There was no baking powder in our recipe, and go ahead and throw a little in there if you're following
just
along.
so I can talk about baking powder again. The sodium in here is 1/8 teaspoon. It's 80 milligrams of sodium.
So how do we
uses
solve
an
that?
8. So if you buy Hain featherweight baking powder, it has 0 sodium.
All right. And then we're going to do cinnamon. I guess I'll do a half a teaspoon cinnamon. I might even just do a little bit more. I usually just kind of... And then we'll do
amazing cinnamon.
We'll try doing a...
How, teaspoon or tablespoon?
Let's just do a... We'll start with a half a teaspoon. So we'll see how we go. You think more? I think more. Let's
Yeah,
try.
yeah,
We'll
just-
try
Is
another.
that?
We'll try full
yeah,
for
yeah.
whatever that would be. 2 teaspoons.
We have.
Oh my gosh. And that's it.
And that's it.
No,
Super
fluid,
simple.
fluid.
No, yeah. Now we got to do. I use basically any nut milk that we might have.
We have a little bit of almond left, and we got a lot of oats. So here. Can we start? Let's empty this one, if you don't mind. Or is this?
Either way, whatever. We're gonna need more than just this.
I know. That's why I said let's
Okay,
finish
yeah,
this.
yeah,
Let's
yeah,
kill that
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
Want to go here
And
and
you
see
just pour it
measure?
in until
No.
until it's.
So I would say you're gonna need probably 16 to 20 ounces for this. What I find is that when you do this, I like to get it a little bit. You put it in the blender, and it'll be a little bit liquidy, but then all the oats over time will really suck up that moisture.
So
and
2
the
cups.
flat-
That was 2 cups. 6 ounces is 2
And
cups.
Zeb, the flax also absorbs
Yeah.
the liquid.
Yep. And I'll also look and I'll pour more in as needed, I guess.
All right, we had
I don't have
young
this,
teenagers when we started, so the kids zapped this years ago, so we do get some batter up in the wand.
How does that fit on?
It just goes on like
Oh,
that.
just like that. Oh, okay.
And go.
I thought you had to. All right, so let's turn this on. And I'm going to add.
Sounds like an airplane.
There we go.
You know
That's
what?
good.
Ashley bought me ear defenders to use with this, and I keep them in the kitchen. You should be wearing them when you do that.
Ours is super quiet.
No. Zeb,
No, I don't,
do you
it's-
have ear defenders in the kitchen? I'm
Oh,
getting you
always,
some.
always.
Hey, I'm going to move this up there, and move the oranges, please.
All right, so now
Hot, coming in.
we have a preheated waffle iron here.
Which,
We don't have our normal waffle iron. This is
Okay, we've got the waffle iron plugged in. What's this oddity? Do you know?
that is a paint stirrer.
Oh.
The
camera
this
can
was
see.
this is an old waffle iron. The one I was meant to bring was unavailable. So
Wait, should we have it here,
small
or
repair.
which camera do you want to see it from? Is this good?
Yep, I got it here.
Okay,
Great.
so we'll just. Do you have a little? Where's that little blue?
Right there?
Yeah. So we'll just pour right in.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Actually, we'll need that right now. And then we're just going to let it cook.
Oh, sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah.
I have been waiting, well, since I
Sizzle,
knew you
sizzle.
were coming to have this, and I was not going to eat until you made it. But unfortunately,
It's the end of the day.
and
All right,
I can hardly wait.
So what are we waiting for here? Will it let us know?
Now
or-
we're gonna wait till this is ready. It's probably gonna be 5 or 6 minutes. Many waffle irons have like a little beep that happens when it's ready. This one doesn't, so we're just gonna have to time it perfect.
What do you mean a beep? I've never had a waffle iron with a beep.
I've never not had one with a beep.
Seb, wait a minute.
Yeah,
You mean
this one will not beep.
I always get
How-
someone's cast
you
off
mean-
waffle iron. So I don't even know.
and they also have often it goes from a red light to a green light.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand that, but I just thought you always had to
Are
experiment.
there any lights on this one?
Yes, there's a light. There's a light right
Oh.
here, but I don't know what that does. It's always on.
Zeb,
Yes.
as you can see, is City Bench, and they create the most gorgeous furniture from
Yes.
The
city
urban
From the
forest.
urban forest.
and it is so he's very clever.
Look at this.
All right,
Brouhaha. All right,
so we should-
back in a flash.
All right, so now we're
Been
gonna
about 5 minutes.
and the first waffle is always a reveal, and so oftentimes many of the subsequent ones are too. So you never really know whether it's ready, and you got it. When I lift, I always come down level to it because if you start lifting and you see that start to separate,
Put the lid back.
put the lid back. You do not want it to separate. You want it to just come right off. And so we're gonna see what this does. Right now, sometimes what you can do is well, look at that.
Oh,
wow.
You are the perfect waffle
Yeah, right.
maker.
So I'll use these. So that
Jane.
looks
Whoa,
really
whoa,
good.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, my God.
All right.
Gorgeous. Oh my
Perfect.
gosh.
Oh, my God. We got
Let's make another one. It's still run a roll. Run a roll.
Let's
run a
get
roll.
little individual plates while it's hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we'll start this one off though.
Let me say that when we have a big family gathering, Zeb is incredible in the kitchen. He is so cool. And he can have 20 people wanting waffles, and he just makes them. And there's no excitement, and they're all perfect, and
I
everybody's
know, it's
so
very
happy.
exciting.
I mean, he doesn't get flustered. I would go,
All right. Let's try some waffle.
Do you want blueberries on it? I just brought them out.
Yeah.
All right.
And syrup.
Syrup's right there.
we need a plate.
Here's little
Well-
plates.
Do we not get, maybe we eat them without plates.
Here, we have little wee plates. Or not, those aren't very wee, but.
Those aren't wheat plates.
All right.
Here. Let's do it. Here, wait. We can just.
We'll
I
break
wanted to have a little syrup.
Yeah.
Oh. Yummy, yummy.
Perfect.
Oh, Zeb.
Should we just let's just try them?
You know what's so good in them? Is the cinnamon.
I want to have some syrup on it.
Oh.
Here,
It doesn't even need syrup.
No, it's good.
here. We've got some people here today.
Blueberry.
So we can just dip.
We're gonna do a dip. So,
Oh, I'll try that
Ryan,
too.
here, come
That's
have
good.
a little taste, please. Give us your thoughts. Polly, will you come have a taste? And Wade, you are. Everyone believes Wade most of all, so we got to get.
Let's try.
Sweetie, this is the best one you've ever made.
No.
That golden color.
Oh.
Are we on camera? Oh my gosh.
Yummy.
That's really good. It's like all crisp, and then the center's just. The center's like just.
I've been waiting and
layer
waiting
of-
and waiting, and it's even better than I remember.
Totally
Worth it.
worth the wait.
And you're right, it doesn't even need syrup. If you don't want
Oh, I shouldn't. My timer. We set our timer.
That's all right. We got it.
Set timer for 4 minutes. Okay.
All right.
That was really good. I didn't have it on. And it's just oats, walnuts, flax, orange zest, lemon zest, applesauce,
Yeah. Banana.
vanilla, and
Cinnamon.
oat milk, almond milk. That was really
All right.
good.
All right. Well, thank you guys. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Hey, Zeb, wait.
I want you to stay and keep making them all. We're gonna keep actually. I think we're just gonna polish this one off and just keep making them. So you're right. Have a blast. Make your own waffles on Saturday or Sunday.
Or
whatever.
freeze them.
And do you just freeze them? How do you freeze them? Do you wrap
Put
them?
them in. I put them in a bag.
What kind of bread?
Bread bag, or usually one of those. What are the green bags?
I don't know what a
you know the
bread
green
bag-
bags.
Bread.
Oh, a bread bag.
A vegetable bag.
Or like, could you put it in like in a Tupperware or a?
Anything.
And
Anything.
just freeze it.
Whatever.
And then you toast them when they come out.
I panini them, but yeah,
Zeb paninis everything.
I do.
Panini's a
Even
waffle.
one
That
time-
seems like redundant.
One time we had a vegan chocolate cake that was only iffy. I mean, not icky. And Zeb paninied it and made everybody love it. So the panini is your thing.
No, it works magic.
Next to waffles and, everything you touch.
Well, okay. You guys enjoy your waffles, however you make them, and let us know what you put on top. We've just tried them sort of plain with syrup, but there's so many beautiful
They're
fixings.
plain.
All right.
Good.
Thank
I know.
you, Zeb.
Zeb!
Bye.
Bye.